a man. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna be like a little bit of a vlog. I'm going to the aquarium. I need to still take a shower because my hair is disgusting. Yesterday evening I actually took a shower and then I was really smart and I didn't wash my hair, which with my hair is a big mistake. So let me go shower because you can literally fry egg on my head. That's disgusting. Okay, now I can speak to you guys again. This faucet is annoying me. I'm feeling a little more awake now. Does anyone else have to headbang after combing their wet hair? Or is it just me? It's probably just me, but here it goes. Spill it to my hair. Skincare. I tinted my eyebrows yesterday. Pretty impressed. Alright, moving on. Okay, my outfit, right? It's just black jeans, skinny jeans, and the shirt. It's giving me very rocker vibes, and it's pretty much just because I bought boots and I got them yesterday. Let me show you guys. Yes, I have big feet, but I bought them. This is not real Doc Martens, so don't be fooled. I'm not rich, and I'm not really a brand kind of person. Like, I don't like buying brand name things. I'm just saying that because I'm poor and I cannot afford real Doc Martens. Anyway, I'm gonna do makeup. I'm not gonna do much because we're gonna be wearing masks and stuff, so I tend to break out if I wear makeup and a mask, so yeah, let's do it. I'm such a morning person, you know, like, I'm just so happy to be here, so happy to be awake, you know. Alright, we're getting there. I'm doing it in silence. I'm doing. Yo, I almost had a seizure. I'm doing my makeup in silence because I'm just not awake yet. I'm actually living with children. Never a quiet moment, I'm telling you. You see, now that was so easy and fast. Wow. Never turning back. I'm gonna like tint my eyebrows 3 times a week now. Literally. That was so quick and easy. Okay. Let's do some mascara. And then we're gonna be done. It's gonna be the look. I'm just waiting for my hair to air dry because I don't have a hair dryer. And you know, it's fine. My hair has been a little more healthy since I'm not hair drying it every day. But now I am straightening it most of the times if I want it to look like something. But okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna wear this black pendant. I'm gonna wear these. They look like they have little coins. I'm probably gonna pair this with a jean jacket. TBH.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Okay, so that was it for this aquarium video. I hope you guys liked it. It was really fun, and it was really cool to see my host child's reaction to all the interesting animals, and he was super excited, especially to touch the stingrays. I think we were stuck there for like 30 minutes because he just kept on touching the stingrays. But yo, that is my experience. It's pretty cool. I saw a lot of new creatures, sea creatures that I've never seen before. I went to an aquarium back in South Africa, which was also cool, but I didn't quite see all the things that I saw today. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe. You guys can also go follow me on all my social medias. It will be linked down below in the description. Let me know what was your favorite part of this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.